Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and recently we've been seeing a bunch of OnePlus 60 leaks. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through a lot of what I think is gonna turn out to be true. Giveaway card, bell icon, do all that. I'm sure you know the drill. Let's now get to the OnePlus 60. So guys, every year the OnePlus phone takes cues from the Oppo phone that launched right before it. Like the Oppo R15 and the OnePlus 6, the Oppo R11 and the OnePlus 5. This goes all the way back to the OnePlus 1 and the Oppo Find 7. All this because of how OnePlus and Oppo are always interconnected thanks to BBK. So based on that, given what we've seen with the Oppo R17, it makes sense that the OnePlus 60 will sport a water drop notch. Now this, as you can see, is from a leaked box. And if you notice the branding to the side, it says unlock the speed. Now speed has been OnePlus's aim for a while, and they've used it as their slogan for the OnePlus 6. Fair enough. The OnePlus 6 is our current speed test champion after all. It ripped up the so-called masters of speed easily enough. Well, that was expected. The word unlock here, coupled with this on the box and the fact that the Oppo R17 comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, makes me feel very bullish about the fact that the OnePlus 60 will in fact sport an in-display fingerprint scanner too. Well, in-display fingerprint scanners have traditionally been slower. The 4th generation one found on the mid-range Vivo V11 Pro was very fast. Again, Vivo is also kind of interconnected through the same BBK chain. I'd say the one on the V11 Pro was almost as fast as the ones on Samsung phones. Now Samsung has some of the slowest fingerprint scanners on phones this generation. So we don't really complain about it. So Vivo's in-display fingerprint scanner was kind of similar. It was not bad. It felt fast enough. And of course, there's the cool factor because it's on the display, right? So all this means the screen-to-body ratio is also expected to go up. It's worth mentioning that the OnePlus 60 has a screen-to-body ratio of about 83% and the Oppo R17 87%. Now with OnePlus, it's always been either or. If the internals change, the externals don't. For example, the 3 to 3T. If the externals change, then the internals don't. For example, 5 to 5T. So given all these cosmetic changes, I don't expect the internals to change. Given that there's no newer chip on the horizon, so OnePlus are unlikely to use a new chip here, unlike a couple of years back where a Snapdragon 821 did exist. So what is super weird with this pic that was leaked is that it shows 3 cameras to the back. I'm not very high on this. OnePlus likes to position their phones as a more affordable flagship for the masses, but given their price hikes and what Poco, for example, has done with the F1, Poco came out of the bare bones stripped down phone with a 845 chip. I don't really see OnePlus going with something like a triple camera setup. I would be extremely happy if I was wrong, but I don't really see that happening. Now, other rumors that I'm afraid won't be making the cut include pop-up cameras and Super VOOC charging. Now, these are features reserved for Oppo's priciest phones. Hell, Super VOOC charge wasn't even on the 67K Find X, so I don't expect to see it on the OnePlus 60. And talking about charging, fun fact, OnePlus might be calling dash charge as warp charge now, as they have issues with the dash charge trademark. Like for example, in the Indian OnePlus 6 launch event, they did mention dash charging, but when I was in London for the global launch, there was no mention of dash charge at all. And as for price, at least in India, I don't expect to see the price rise. Going above the current price would put it very close to the to LG flagship territory. That's a tier 1 flagship, and I for one don't see that happening. So 35K for the base 60 variant and similar hikes for higher variants along with a special edition is what I would expect OnePlus to do. So I am super excited for the OnePlus 60. Are you? What feature are you looking forward to the most? Is there a major leak, something that you've heard of that I haven't let you know here? Let me know all about that in the comments below. Also let me know what is it that you wish to see. So that's it for this quick video, and it's time I bid you adieu. Thumbs up, thumbs down, based on whatever you feel about this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see more of this kind of content. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. This is C4E Tech, and I'm signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.